To know how to get 60% discount on gravitywrite, which is an amazing AI tool to write SEO optimized content, make sure you watch this video till the very end. If you want to know how to use gravitywrite, check out my previous video, I will link it in the description. Now, let's see how to get the discount. Open gravitywrite from the link given in description. In order to get a 60% discount, you should create a new account by clicking here on Start for Free and enter your email and password. After creating a new account, you will see a pop-up that says, get 1 year of gravitywrite for $97, and the original price of the starter plan is $228 for a year. If you want to know the benefits of the starter plan, I will tell it further. To get this discount, simply click on Claim Your Offer and you will be redirected to the payment page. If you don't see this pop up, then you can click here, Weekend Sale, June, $97. And if you cannot see the pop-up in this option, then go to your email and check your inbox or the promotions. You will receive this mail with the title, Welcome to gravitywrite Exclusive Offer inside. Scroll below and you will see the benefits provided in the starter plan. You can click here Upgrade at 60% off to get the discount. Another important thing is there is another pro plan with even more benefits. To access it, go to your gravitywrite account. Scroll below on left side. Click here on subscriptions and you will see the starter and pro plan here, with all their benefits. You can select the yearly plan to get 10% off. Click on Upgrade now, select a payment method and you will be redirected to the payment page. You can enter your details and complete the payment. To know about another amazing AI tool to write SEO optimized content, you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.